Hi, it's me again, and I am actually headed right over there. I don't know if you can see it. Can I get in the camera? Maybe. I'm headed over. Where is this? I'm headed over there. I'm headed over there to a CVS. I gotta do a little shopping before I get on the ship tomorrow, like I said earlier. And along the way, I stopped and grabbed some dessert. I had lunch earlier at the taco place, but I stopped at a taco truck, and I stopped and got some dessert at Caines. What is this place called? Here, let's go down here. I found a patch of shade. I thought, oh, I'll just eat it later. And then I just started to sweat and die out here at Caines. Caines Confectionery, which is a local sort of Galveston sort of place. I got this giant, I'll show you here, giant chunk of fudge. Doesn't that look good? And I grabbed some coffee at the Mod coffee shop, right? And they actually had tables outside, but they were super busy and all the tables were taken. So I thought, oh, that's no big deal. I'll just walk along. Now, this is called the Hummingbird, this coffee, and it is raspberry and vanilla and, no, raspberry and lavender and coconut. And I'm gonna try it. This is my first time, which is good. I'm letting it cool off a little bit anyway. Push my glasses back there. It's just as well. I'll give it a chance to cool off here. Let's see. That is good. That is good. Oh my God, that's good. That is really good. You can really taste the raspberries, which is nice. I went down all that like in a gulp. I swear to God, it's cooled off just to the perfect point. And I don't need to though. I'll be jittery from caffeine, but I am going to finish it. And I got that, that delicious piece of fudge. I'm going to try that, which whoops, almost had garbage flying down the street. It's a little windy, which is good. We can use the cool air. Got a piece of fudge, and I'm gonna try this for the first time too. I'll probably pass out. This is like drugs to me, so I'll probably pass out from an overdose, but let's give it a shot. Oh my God, that's good. That is the best. Local confectionery here, Caines, local coffee shop, the Mod.